Hello, welcome back. This is Prasad, and we are learn about today some if and some ifs formula in MS Excel. So, if you have any large data and you want some amount to particular employees, so we can use this formula. Okay. So first of all, we understand this formula and syntax. The sum formula we can get the total of number. Okay, and sum if it is a and range and criteria, and some if is multiple criteria and multiple range. You can see this, so you understand better to syntax for three formulas. So here is a data right now, and here is a employee name, month, pre-sale, post-sale, and total. So we want pre-sale and post-sale total through the sum formula. So this sum formula we can use is equal to sum in bracket. You will get this type of syntax here also. We put down here the number one and number two. So number one would be here and number two would be here, and when you complete the bracket and hit enter, so you'll get a total of number of pre and post sale. So you can double click on this cell, so you will get all sum or total for the pre and post sales. Okay, so here is a syntax. You understand syntax, you can easily use this formula. Then second formula is sum if. So here is a criteria one, which is the employee number two. Here is a data validation which I done here, and when I select the particular employee, so I wanted the total of the sale to particular employee. So here is a, we can use the sum if formula. Sum if in bracket, see the range would be over here. Here is a range, we can select here, then comma, then our criteria which is here, G2, G6, G6, no problem, and then comma, then sum range to here, and bracket complete. When you hit enter, so you will get a total of the sum for the employee 4. If you check this amount is correct or not, you can do this. Here is wait a moment. Here is a employee 4 and total, which is the 342. So we can select here first and get a total of employee 4 to here. We can check. So here is a 342, which is the correct. We can check here. Okay. Then when I select this criteria, employee 1, employee 2, so all total of number, you will get this formula, sum if. Okay, and sum is syntax is sum if, then bracket range, then criteria, and then sum range, which is the total. Okay, the third one is sum ifs formula. So how we can use that? This is the multiple criteria, and we want the multiple criteria total. Okay, here is an employee and here is a month. So a particular employee, they perform in Feb how many sales, so you will get in the sum if formula is equal to sum ifs. Then we're saying the sum range, which is the sum range here, then criteria range, which is the criteria is employee right now, so we select employees range, then criteria, which is the employee 2, then F4, then column, second criteria, which is the month. So month range we can select here, comma, then our criteria in H12, then F4, and then bracket complete, then hit enter. So you will get a particular employees Feb count. So here is 100, here is 100. Okay, then we can check the multiple here in employee Feb 94. Then in Feb Jan, we can select here Jan, so employee 2 182. So we can check here 182 82 number. Okay, so this is the formula which is very useful to your daily sheets. You can create the reports, you can create the dashboard. So this formula very useful to daily basis. So this is for my side. If you have any questions, please let me know or comment on box, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and likes. Thank you.